One of my favorite things about tax planning is coupling tax strategies together, meaning one strategic play unlocks another strategic play. I love to play that game. That's when you start to really start to do the critical thinking and really start, going to that place where you seeing this thing like a game or a puzzle. I really kind of like that part. So for example, let's say I got a couple clients that are overseas. They're US citizens, but they work overseas, like contracting and things like that. So I had one guy, before he went overseas, we used to always talk about him once I kept telling him about the Roth IRA, he's like, man, how can I get more money into this thing? I'm like, well, they cap you at the contributions at this amount every single year. He's like, that's not enough. I need to get more money into this thing because I know in retirement, when I take the money out, it's not going to be taxed at all. I was like, okay, well, if you do that right now, this is going to be your tax bill. That scared him away from, trying to get money into that, right? But once he called me, when he eventually went overseas, he gave me a call, and it was one of the best calls. I was so happy that he called me. He was like, yeah, I'm going to be working overseas now, this contract. I was like, beautiful. Because what we can do is while you're overseas, we can qualify you for this foreign income exclusion, where it excludes up like 6 figures of income from being taxed. And at the same time, since most of that income is being, excluded, that either makes you not have to pay taxes or put you in a significantly lower tax bracket, so that we can then do these Roth conversions and get those piles of money into your Roth IRA. We can do this at the same time. That one play of him moving over there and us qualifying him for this foreign income exclusion allowed us to unlock this Roth conversion that he didn't have to pay taxes on, or he would have had to pay a little bit of tax on. So I love when we can kind of do things like that. There's so many, examples of that. That's an easy one. I like to do the same thing with qualified business income deduction for my business owners. Like, we can pull certain levers to kind of maximize that. I love to do things like that. But, always, that's just a fun part about tax planning. Think about how to combine strategic things to make your life that much more better.